Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at number 6, which is in the Kcse 2019 Mathematics Paper 2, Section 1. A bag contains 6 red counters and 4 blue counters. The counters are picked. Okay, 2 counters are picked from the bag at random without replacement. Part A of this question: represent the events using a tree diagram. So let's check the first thing which is happening. We are picking 2 counters, and it's good for you to know that each is picked at a time. So in the first picking, we have only 2 options. So the tree diagram shall have 2 initial branches, red and blue. Now, there is a possibility of picking a red counter or a red counter in the first picking, and the red ones are 6. So out of a total of 6 and 4, which is 10. So 6 out of 10 is the probability of picking red. Then the probability of picking a blue should be 4 over 10, like that. Then after picking the red, in our second picking now, we may pick red once more, or we pick a blue. Now, picking red for the second time, we didn't replace. It's without replacement. So the red ones, because we had picked a red, they are now 5, and out of the new total, which is 9, meaning that the balance are still 4 over 9. We had not picked a blue, so the blue ones remain 4 over 9. Now, in the second picking, if we had picked a blue, we may pick red or pick blue for a second time. So picking a blue, the probability now goes down to 3 because we didn't replace out of 9. But for red, they remain 6 in this case over 9. So we have the probabilities properly listed along the branches. So this is red, red, then this is red and blue. This is blue, red, and then we have blue, followed by another blue. Part B of this question: find the probability that the 2 counters picked are of the same color. So same color will mean probability picking red, then red, or probability blue followed by blue, like that. So the first case, red, red, should be 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. Or probability blue, blue. This is 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 over 9. We can work out that multiplication. Let me check from the first bracket, 6 over 10 multiplied by 5 over 9. This is 1 over 3, or means addition in probability. 4 over 10 multiplied by 3 out of 9. Now this gives us 2 out of 15. And now we may add plus a third. This gives us 7 out of 15. And that becomes our final answer in this particular question on probability. Thank you so much for listening.